Got this 2014 BMW 750 Li. Complaint was the right front door, the lock actuator, the lock wasn't locking or unlocking. No fault codes in the system for that. Soft close worked, and the comfort access also worked. From here, just nothing out of this. So, and this camera is going to be really poor. And you can see that there. So, the signals that you're looking for, it's going to be the harness that goes into that door. What we're looking for is pin 6 and pin 7 for the lock and the unlock. So we're trying to determine whether the JBE, the junction box electronics, is bad, or if it's a lock actuator issue, or is it something else. What I started with was the fuse. Fuse number 14, 15 amp fuse, is what powers this lock actuator. It was good. So working backwards on something like this is what I like to do. I've got my voltmeter is out, and I'm in pin 6. Now pin 6 again is going to be signal MVR for lock. So lock, unlock, so do these at the same time. I've got a good signal going into that harness. So I'm gonna set my phone down and I'm gonna change that pin to pin 7. So we're in 7 now. Unlock. We're good. So junction box, you can hear the rest of the cars going. We're good. So this is what's gonna get replaced, that lock actuator in there. And we'll put it down the road. So I hope that helps somebody out. Another tip, these colors are correct. Your power supply and your ground, orange and brown. But it shows 2 colors there. So I got a brown, yellow, and I got a white with a black striper. So the schematic is not always correct, so you got to kind of do your own due diligence just to, you know, confirm and or not confirm. But again, I hope that helps somebody out. 2014 750 Li.